Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use glutamine powder. First, let's understand what glutamine is and why it's beneficial. Glutamine is the most abundant amino acid in your body, crucial for muscle repair and immune system support. It plays a key role in reducing muscle soreness after intense workouts and maintaining a healthy gut lining. Using it in powder form offers versatility for precise dosing and convenient mixing with liquids. Next, let's discuss the optimal dosing and timing for glutamine powder. A typical dose ranges from 5 to 10 grams per serving. Many people take one serving immediately after their workout to aid muscle recovery and replenish glycogen stores. You can also take another dose before bed, which may support natural growth hormone production and further assist in overnight recovery. Always mix it with water or your favorite beverage. Now, let's cover how to properly mix and consume your glutamine powder. It's best to mix 1 scoop, typically 5 grams, with 8 to 12 ounces of cold water, juice, or your protein shake. Glutamine powder usually dissolves very easily and has a neutral taste, making it simple to incorporate into your routine. Remember to avoid mixing it with hot liquids, as high temperatures can potentially degrade the amino acid. Finally, let's review the key benefits and some important considerations. Beyond muscle recovery, glutamine is excellent for supporting your immune system, particularly when you're training hard. It also contributes to maintaining a healthy gut lining and may even help reduce sugar cravings. While generally safe, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplement to your regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.